Hey guys, welcome back to Creative Shack. My name's Lisa and we're going to do something completely different today. We are going to create a really pretty envelope with your die cuts in there and really pretty embellishments and stuff. And I always want to create one of these envelopes. So I actually grabbed this one from a creator that I know, and I got this during the Halloween season. She did an amazing job, and I've never done one of these before. This is my first time doing it, and this is kind of like my template. So if you guys like something out there and you're like, oh my God, this is really, really cool, and you have it in your hands, purchase it. And what you can do is make sure that is your template so you can actually copy it or do your own thing. So what we're going to do is we're going to do not a Halloween one, we're going to do a Easter one, which is Peter Rabbit. So as you can see here, I am going to pretty much copy what she did. And I'm going to put some music on. This is a relaxing video, and let's see how this comes out. right, so this is the finished piece. So I wanted to show you, like, I did wrap this ribbon up because just to hold it in place. You don't have to do this. You can do other ribbon, yarn, that kind of thing. But I think this actually came out really cool. I did have a lot of stickers that I just want to like hold them all together so I can embellish more things for the upcoming years. And I love doing this. This is like very relaxing to me. Trying to figure out placements and ways to figure this out. I did do those two folded cards that I actually could write whatever I want in there, that type of thing. I like doing some paper clips to hold things together. These actually paper clips came from Hobby Lobby. And these stickers I absolutely love. They're like really vintage. I love them. I did go through a bunch of my stickers and some of them were like really newer Peter Rabbit, but I love the vintage vibe. I did make these little cute little bookmarks, as you guys can see there. One's bigger than the other. And then I just put more stickers in. And I just absolutely loved how this actually turned out. I love this little pouch that I put some more from on there. And I'm telling you guys, if you guys want to start doing something completely different, do it. And I mean do it, because this really is very relaxing as well. I hope you guys liked this video, doing something completely different for the new year. And if you guys like these, give me that thumbs up. And if you'd like to subscribe, please subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next one. Bye guys. Take care.